Hey y'all, this is Amanda. She's a Mad Gardener, and I am about to harvest some flowers for drying. That's right, they're not going in arrangements, they're going to be dried. I'm going to show you how I go about that process. It's super easy, super fun, and then I hope you guys will follow some of my future videos and I'll show you what you can do with these dried flowers. As a reminder, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when my latest videos are up. Okay, as always, when I start to go pick flowers, I start with my bucket and I start with my clippers. Today, the bucket will have nothing in it because I am not trying to keep these flowers alive. I am trying to dry them. So let's get started. Okay, I cut several varieties. I cut some of the heated up Gaillardia to try. I've got some Gold Mine Yarrow. I've got some Purple Globe Gonfrina. I've got some Vintage Violet Yarrow, which is already drying really well. Got some straw flowers, and I grabbed a bunch of rosemary. So first comes first, I'm going to strip off all the leaves that I don't want on these and then put these all into piles, and then I'll show you how I go about drying them. So let me break it down for you. I use twine. You can get this from the Dollar Tree. Sorry, puppy. You can get this from the Dollar Tree, and you can get 3 spools for $1. I clean off my stems to where I want them. I take the twine, wrap it around a couple of times. You don't have to pull super tight. And then I tie a simple knot, making sure it's all secure. The next thing is I take the rest of the length. I cut off some of the twine. And then I make a loop with the twine. So see, I just folded it over and I've made a loop. And then I take that loop and I just tie a simple knot. And that gives me a firm loop at the top. And then from there, I hang them from the window. Let me show you. Okay, and there you go. Got them hung up in my window. They do beautiful in my window. This window gets consistent sun throughout the entire day. You can see some that I've already got. Let me see. Been drying. They're looking really good. I also think it's super pretty. But that's it, you guys. You can easily dry balloons. Some balloons dry better than others. All of these that I'm currently drying, I have found dry beautifully. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed today's tutorial on drying flowers, and make sure you subscribe so you can see my next videos that will be talking about how to use these dried flowers. As always, she's a mad gardener or decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.